The Igbo people celebrate a cultural treasure that has withstood the test of time. The OJA, a traditional flute, is not just an instrument. It is a symbol of their rich heritage and a vibrant part of their musical tradition. The Igbo people, native to Nigeria, are renowned for their deep connection with the OJA, a musical instrument skillfully crafted from bamboo. This unique flute is integral to their cultural activity and event. Crafted with precision, the OJA produces a beautiful sound invoking the essence of Igbo music. When traditional Igbo music comes to life, the OJA often takes center stage accompanied by a symphony of instruments like ekwe, udu, igba, ogene, echaka, and more. Together they create a unique, distinct sound that defines Igbo music. The harmonious fusion of these instruments undergoes the robust music heritage and cultural identity of the Igbo people. The OJA is a highly portable instrument, perfect for musicians on the move. Its convenience makes it a preferred choice of various events, both within and beyond the Igbo community. Its versatility and mobility contributes to the enduring popularity of OJA in traditional Igbo music, ensuring that this cultural gem is passed down from generation to generation. One of the defining features of OJA is its distinct high-pitched sound, which varies among its different types. The size and quality of sound determine its role in traditional Igbo ensembles. Let's explore some of these types. OJA ukwe, known as the singing flute. It accompanies women's dance with its melodic and expressive sound, infusing vibrancy into dance performances. OJA manwu. This high-pitched small OJA is a style of masquerade music, enhancing the festive atmosphere of these events with its celebratory sound. OJA igede. These low-pitched flutes are often played in pairs, with one leading the melody and the other responding. They are used in conjunction with the igede drum for solemn occasions, particularly burial ceremonies. Summary: the OJA is more than a musical instrument. It is a testament to the enduring legacy of Igbo people. Through its various type and distinctive sound, the OJA weaves a rich tapestry of cultural tradition and celebration. This remarkable flute is a testament to the Igbo people's deep-rooted connection to their heritage and the timeless beauty of their music.